Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit or change bookmark in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and click on this side or panel and this is bookmark option. Click here. This PDF file have two bookmarks. This first one and this second one. And see this. And first let's change this bookmark position. And go desired page or text you want to bookmark. I'll make this page bookmark and I'll replace this one. Simply select this bookmark, already selected, and click here. And here you will find the set bookmark destination. Click here and select yes. Now go this bookmark or and select this and select this bookmark destination now sets. Also you can rename this bookmark. I will say this bookmark name. Select and click this arrow. Here you will find this rename bookmark and see this. Also you can I'll change this bookmark position. I'll make this text as bookmark and click here. Select set bookmark destination and yes. And go anywhere of this PDF file and simply click on this bookmark and see this. In this way you can change your bookmark name or destination. Also you can delete, you can add a bookmark here. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.